Good morning to everyone. I am going to discuss about the recognition of the objects from the drone image and determination of the area covered by the objects using the machine learning algorithm. First, we are going to discuss about this introduction of this topic. Remote sensing remote sensing techniques in remote sensing techniques. The geographical features are determined of preventing the land use, land global warming, and earthquake, and also the violence sensation detect the soil and structural issues. By classifying the land features can be benefited in increase the boundary detection and the accuracy and the estimation of the values, and also clear vision about this topography. The application is used for development of land and such as road, building, construction, and this site counting. Then surveying is all reserves by the recognizing the oil spills on proof tanks and done using these high spatial resolutions imaginary captured by this drone image. Next, we are going to discuss about these objectives of this project to develop the model for image enhancement using the histogram equalization algorithm. Then second one is we're going to develop a software model for classifying the features in land use, land cover using the k-means clustering algorithm. Next, to count the total number of pixels covered by each feature using the color histogram HSV technique. From the output of the k-means clustering algorithm, and plotted the each count as per by the q values. To square off the distance masked by this each feature by the product of total pixels covered by each features and squaring the resolution of drone image manually. Next, going to study for this, going to discuss is about the data for a study. Here, we are going to take this study area from the study area from the Reddyarbatti, Tirunelveli. That is the input of this image. It's Tirunelveli nearby this south side region. The earth's surface is materials such as rock, sand, road, barren, and scrubland, which were recognized by this in this study emit visible light that is formed by the RGB color. The spectral range of the RGB is the 0.4 to 0.7 micrometer, where the blue ranges from the 0.4 and these green ranges from 0.5 to 0.78, and this red ranges is from the 0.6 to 0 to 7.7 mm. This study was being selected for classification of land use, land cover is used to identify the land features which can be applied land surveying, where the road features are extracted for highly informations. Road cracks can also be surveyed. The barren land can be developed into this agricultural land. The waste land can be used for building these constructions. Next, it discusses about this methodology of this. First, load the input image. Then we cannot use it directly. This is the raw image. So, we want to do some enhancement. After the enhancement of this image, it can restore these. Restore the objects. So, whatever disappear due to this is noise. Here I used this as a histogram equalization method for enhancing this image. Next, do the segmentation process. Here done this the segmentation process as using the k-means clustering algorithm. Next, we have done this the feature extraction. So what is the purpose of this feature extraction? So as the main purpose of this study is to calculate the area coverage, calculate the area coverage of each features. So want to extract the each features or objects is from this image, from this segmented image. At last, so determine this as the area of this image. That's all. Thank you.